Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Stargazer Wallet account using your mobile device. So let's dive into the video right away since the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded your Stargazer application on your device. Simply go to your App Store or your Play Store and get this application installed. And once you have the application, tap on it to launch it open. From the first interface of Stargazer Wallet, in order to sign up for a new wallet, tap on Create New Wallet. Now, you will need to create a Stargazer password. Type in at least 8 characters long password in the first text box. Make sure to use one lowercase, uppercase, number, and a special character in your password. After you are done, move on to the next field and type in the new password one more time. After you are done, tap on Next at the bottom. Now, you have successfully set up your password. Tap the next button at the bottom and then create your recovery phrase on the next page. A recovery phrase is a series of 12 words in a specific order. Make sure to have a pen and a paper ready. You can write it down correct. Tap the next button in order to reveal your recovery phrase. And once you've written down the phrases in the exact order, tap on I've written it down at the bottom. Now verify your recovery phrases. Select the word in the correct order. Take in the reference from your backup. After typing it down, tap on Validate at the bottom and you have successfully backed up your wallet. Now tap on Next and then you will end up in your main wallet page. And now you can explore the features and start adding tokens, send and receive tokens, view your portfolio and connect to the apps with the platform. So that is how you will be able to sign up for Stargazer Wallet within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.